What if you don't have any Upwork client reviews yet? You're sending proposals, you built your profile, but every time a client sees the blank no reviews section, they pass. Well, I know how that feels. I started with 0 reviews, no Upwork history, no client to vouch for me. And I remember thinking, how do I convince a client to hire me when my reviews are ghost? If you are stuck in the same place, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to land clients even when your Upwork profile is completely review-less. Let's get into it. Step number 1, Upwork runs on reviews. Why reviews matter more than anything else? Upwork is built on reviews. They are like currency. Clients want to know, can you do the work? Will you communicate? And will you deliver? And they judge all this by what other clients said about you. So when you have 0 reviews, yeah, it's harder, but there is a way around it. And that's what I'm giving you today, a strategy to beat the review barrier. Upwork is a review-driven platform. Client feedback is everything because it's the first thing other clients look at. The difficulty of getting your next 10 job is determined by your last 10 reviews. That's what clients see when they scroll through your work history. If it's packed with 5-star feedback, you're golden. But if you have 0 reviews, then yes, it's going to be harder. And if you do nothing, then yes, it will be incredibly difficult to get that first client. But here's what to do instead. Number 2, use testimonials if you don't have reviews. How to build trust fast with social proof. If you don't have Upwork reviews yet, the smartest move is to add testimonials. These aren't reviews from Upwork contracts because those only come after the job is done. Testimonials can come from a past coworker, a client outside of Upwork, and a friend that had helped you with your skills. You can send them a testimonial request right from your Upwork profile. It takes 2 minutes. Once they submit it, the feedback will appear directly on your profile, giving new clients confidence in your abilities even before your first contract. But testimonials are just one part of the puzzle. Let's talk about another type of proof that clients care about just as much: social proof versus physical. What clients really want to see? Clients don't just want pretty profile, they want proof. And the proof comes in 2 forms: social proof, testimonial, reviews, endorsements, and physical proof, work samples, mock-up, real deliverables. When I had no Upwork reviews, I focused on physical proof. I created samples. I built case studies. Some weren't even for clients. They were just well-done personal projects, but they showed what I could do, and that was enough to build trust. Number 4, testimonial template. What to actually say when asking for a testimonial. Now, if you are wondering what to actually say when asking for a testimonial, then don't worry. I've written a message that you can send. And here's the best part. I paste the full template in the comment section in this video so that you can just copy and paste. You can grab this in the comment section below. Is ready to use. Number 5, create a proof portfolio. When you don't have client work, make your own. Okay, now let's talk about visual proof. Because when you don't have social proof yet, the next best thing is showing what you can do. Your portfolio should include real examples of your work, even if you haven't had paying clients yet. Writers can publish blog posts or case studies. Designers can create branding kits or mock-up ads. Developers can build small apps or website designs. And if you're thinking, how do I create that? I've got you. Check out my video titled, How to Create a Winning Upwork Portfolio That Makes Clients Say Wow. It's linked in the description below. Number 6, target the right jobs and price smart. Start small, smart, and strategic. Your first few jobs should be small and with fixed price. With new clients who haven't hired before, they are more likely to take a chance on someone new. Use your proposal to explain, I'm currently offering a special rate while I build my Upwork presence. Quality is not sacrificed. This shows confidence and explains the lack of reviews. Step number 7, turn one job into momentum. How to turn a single contract into a long-term success. Once you land on your first job, the most important thing is to get great reviews. Communicate well. Deliver excellent work. Ask for feedback when the job ends. Once that first review hits your profile, you'll unlock better visibility, build trust, and even qualify for rising talent status. Keep going and every job becomes easier to land than the last. Still wondering how to move forward without reviews? Here's the simple game plan. Get powerful testimonials. Build a stunning portfolio. Target the right job. Price smart. Over-deliver every time. It's not about faking it, it's about proving it before the reviews come. And if you had found this information helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Upwork strategy videos. And don't forget to grab the testimonial method template below in the comment section and for easy copy and pasting. Drop a comment if you just are getting started on Upwork. I would love to hear your story. You got this and I believe in you. See you in the next video. Until then, be freelantastic.